Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka Chaudhary and today I am going to teach you one of the most powerful and free methods to speak English fluently, self-talk. Yes, talking to yourself can actually help you speak English like a pro. And no, it's not weird at all. Trust me, I have tried this multiple times while I started learning English. So, out of my own personal experience, I can tell you that yes, self talk truly helps us to become fluent in English. Before I share with you that how self talk actually works, let's first understand what is self talk. Self talk means speaking to yourself, either silently in your mind or out loud, but in English. It's like being your own speaking partner 24/7. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you become. You don't need a teacher or a friend all the time. You already have you, and that's more than enough to get started. So never underestimate the company of yours. Believe in yourself that yes, you can better talk to yourself, and this is the best start.
Seriously?
Now, why is self talk so powerful? There are multiple reasons, like it helps you think in English. Besides this, it builds confidence in you and it removes the fear of speaking as there is no stranger. Besides this, it improves vocabulary and sentence formation. And do you know what's the best part? You can do it anytime, anywhere, in the bathroom, while cooking, walking, or even while lying in bed. So, this is the most comfortable thing to do. Now, let me share with you the different types of self talk with examples. So, the first one, describe what you're doing. So, when you start describing what you're doing, this is a type of self talk. For instance, imagine that I am in the kitchen and I am going to make tea. Then, how will I be talking that time? I will say something like, I am boiling the water. Now I'm adding tea leaves. The aroma is so strong. I will let it boil for 2 more minutes. See? So, whatever you are doing, start describing it. Right now, I am here sitting on my terrace. I am recording a video for you, and you can see around me that there is a lot of greenery, and the weather is so pleasant today. So, I just describe the current situation of mine. That's what you are supposed to do. Just describe what you're doing. That's all. Type 2. In type 2, you are supposed to talk about your day. Okay. So, about your day means anything about your day. Whatever you do throughout the day, talk about it regularly. Okay. For instance, today was a busy day. I woke up late, but I managed to finish all my work. I also watched an English video on YouTube. It was really helpful. So imagine your day was something like this and you were framing sentences as the example was there. Okay, so just talk about your day, whatever you did. I had a party today, you can say, and I had a great time at the party. Or maybe if you are a student, you can talk about your day, that how was your day at your school. You can say, like, there was a test and I did my best in my test. I could not attempt all the questions as I was running out of time. Just say anything, man. Okay. What I want to say is that in type 2 of self talk, just talk about your day. What you did, how was the day, was it happy or not, were you happy or not? All right, just talk about your day. Now comes type 3. Here, I want you to plan your day in English, all right? This is going to be in future. So next what you can do is talk about your future plans. For instance, okay, tomorrow I will wake up at 6:30. I'll go for a walk, then make a breakfast. After that, I will practice English for 30 minutes and keep talking. I will read a book, or you can say, I will talk to ChatGPT tomorrow. Just plan your day, all right? So, this is how you will practice speaking in future tense. So, that's what you can do on the regular basis for self talk. Here comes type 4. Now, you have to express your emotions. This is not easy for everybody because not everyone is good at expressing emotions. Even I don't consider myself very good at expressing emotions. But if you are, you can go for this type. Let me give you an example. I'm feeling a little tired today, but I'm happy because I spoke English for 10 minutes without stopping. This is what you can talk. I mean, this was just an example for you, right? Well, in my case, I would say that I am not at all tired today. I am full of energy. And, my energy somehow depends on the weather. I mean, if the weather is wonderful, I feel connected. So now you can also see the weather is really changing nowadays, and it is the month of July, and here in Delhi it's raining every now and then. So in the morning when I went to drop my son to his school, that time I got drenched completely, and that made me feel really happy. And now I am shooting here, sitting on the terrace in the middle of the plants. So I'm feeling really excited about this video also, because I just love this way of practicing English, talking to ourselves. So yeah, that's all. See, this is how I expressed my emotions. Now it's your time. Talk about your emotions, and I believe you can surely do this. Here comes type 5, mirror talk. Mirror self talk, let me correct. So here we are going to practice self talk with the help of mirror.
Hey. Hey.
This is also a fantastic way. So just take a mirror in front of you and start talking something like, I am practicing English today, and I am feeling so proud of myself because I have actually decided to start speaking English, and I will make sure that I will be consistent until I start speaking English fluently. So, and I can see the improvement in me as well day by day. So, this is how talk to yourself looking into the mirror. All right, do this every day. Talk to yourself positively. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually start? Don't worry, I have broken it down in 5 easy and practical steps that anyone can follow, even if you're a complete beginner. So, what is step number 1? Step number 1 is start small. Means take small steps, all right? Use daily routine sentences first. Daily routine sentences like the activities that you do on the regular basis, try to frame sentences on those actions and activities. For instance, you can start by saying very simple and short sentences that are related to your daily routine in the present tense. For example, you are in your washroom, suppose, and you are brushing your teeth. That is your daily routine, and you do this continuously on the regular basis. So you can say something like, I am brushing my teeth, or I am making tea, or you can say, I am sitting on the bed, or I'm feeling hungry, I'm going to open the window now. So whatever you're doing, just talk about it. All right, I'm having breakfast, I'm about to leave for my office. See, so whatever you do, talk about it in English. It will be so easy. And yes, don't worry about grammar, don't worry about making long sentences. I asked you to start small, okay? So just focus on saying something in English. All right, so begin your day with speaking English. That was your step number 1. Now, move on to step number 2. So, here in this step, you have to start thinking in English, okay? And stop translating in your mind. This translation process is really exhausting, and it's very time consuming, I would say. All right, so directly start thinking in English. Many learners first think in Hindi or their native language, and then they try to translate it into English. This creates a lot of confusion, and it actually slows you down. That's why I am insisting you to start thinking directly in English. So how can you do this? Instead of saying मुझे भूख लग रही है, say that in English like I'm feeling hungry. और बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है तो I'm starving. Or you can say something like यार मौसम बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. In English, I am just loving this weather. See? Now let's focus on step number 3. Use a mirror. Talk to yourself face to face. Well, you need a mirror for that, obviously. And then this is actually called mirror talk. And when you stand in front of a mirror, you have to look straight into your own eyes. Making eye contact is really significant if you are in a conversation, all right? So make eye contact to yourself and speak as if you're having a conversation, a real conversation with someone, okay? For example, hi Priyanka, how are you doing today? So there is a mirror in front of you. Talk like that. You did great yesterday. Let's speak in English for 5 minutes today. And it's okay to make mistakes. You are learning. Say all these sentences to yourself looking into the mirror. And then you will realize that by the time you will realize that there is actually improvement in your sentence formation, and you are improving your English fluency at the same time. Here comes step number 4. Record yourself and hear your own voice. This is also self-talk. When you record and you listen to your recording. So just take your phone and record yourself for 1 to 2 minutes initially while doing self-talk, and then listen to it, and don't judge yourself. Just observe. Observe that are you too fast? Are your sentences clear? Did you hesitate anywhere? That's what you need to do. Observe only. This will help you improve day by day. So keep recording of yourself. Now, step number 5. Make it a daily habit. Do this consistently. Make self-talk a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth or checking your phone. I'm sure that you do not leave your phone even for more than 2 minutes, right? That's your habit. Similarly, self-talk, make this your habit and speak for 5 minutes in the morning or in the evening. You can do it while walking or cooking or taking a bath. Now here are some tips. Set a timer for 5 minutes every day and create a daily self-talk routine. Wake up and then speak about your plan and all this, and talk about your yesterday, today or tomorrow. So follow these tips if you really want to work on your English speaking skills, all right? And remember, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start right where you are with what you know and start with scratch. Your fluency will grow with your consistency. Here are 10 phrases to begin your self-talk journey. Here is number 1. You can say something like, I'm feeling a bit sleepy right now. I'm feeling a bit sleepy right now. Or, let me check what I need to do today. Let me check what I need to do today. I have to reply to some messages. I have to reply to some messages. Or I'll take a break after finishing this. I will take a break after finishing this. A very commonly used phrases these are. Or you can say something like, I'm thinking about what to eat for dinner. I'm thinking about what to eat for lunch. Or, oh no, I forgot to call my friend. Oh no, I missed a very important message. Anything. Or, the weather is really nice today. And that's true. Or you can say, I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. So, whenever you are going to connect your phone with the charger, you can say this phrase, I need to charge my phone. Or, I'm learning something new every day. I'm learning something new every day. Or, speaking English becoming easier for me. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Repeat these phrases every day. And then, speaking these sentences will be your habit. Don't worry about grammar at first. Just speak. Considering grammar actually is an obstacle in our speaking journey. We think too much about speaking correct with proper grammar rules. Forget about it. Just speak slowly and clearly and keep adding new words to your self-talk every day. I'm sure that you keep learning new words. You keep boosting your vocabulary. So keep adding those words while talking. And keep celebrating small wins. Even 2 minutes of English is progress. Remember, you don't need anyone to start speaking English. You already have you, and you are amazing. Start talking to yourself in English from today. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more helpful lessons and share this with your English learning friends. I'll catch you in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.